Jai Hind friends, Namaskaram to all of you. I am Cadet Sundaram Divedi and today I received a call from my NO sir and he asked me to write some point about duty of the cadets. I start thinking that what it could be. It obviously quite clear that what is the duty of a cadet, and I thought whatever I wrote down, I think 4 points I wrote by myself, whatever I know about the NCC and the cadets' responsibility. And I need to wrote at least 10 points. Then I visited any some books, some social media websites, Google Chrome, and come to I able to write that 11 points. So I wanted to share with on this platform that whoever uh, needed the points about the duty of the cadets could get the help from here, at least some idea. I don't know it's perfect or not, but it's quite useful. It's maybe could useful for anyone. So whatever I write down, the I first my first point is a cadet ought to be responsible towards the duty of the nation. तात्पर्य यह है, एक कैडेट को अवश्य ही उत्तरदायी होना चाहिए राष्ट्र के प्रति अपने कर्तव्यों को लेकर. And the second point is a cadet should do the service selflessly for the country, society and humanity. एक कैडेट को निस्वार्थ भावना से सेवा करना चाहिए अपने समाज, अपने देश और मनुष्यता की. And the third point is a cadet should spread the awareness of sanitation, education and morality in the country. एक कैडेट को जागरूकता का प्रसार करना चाहिए स्वच्छता के हित में, शिक्षा एवं नैतिकता के हित में. A cadet should disciplined and leadership quality. एक कैडेट अनुशासनबद्ध और नेतृत्व गुणवत्ता का होना चाहिए. And the next other point is the cadet must have the feeling of devotion, honesty, hard work, perseverance, patriotism and embedded deep in its heart with the patriotism. एक कैडेट के अंतर मन में कर्तव्य निष्ठा, ईमानदारी, मेहनत, लगन, देशभक्ति के भाव का समावेश होना चाहिए. The next point is a cadet must have the comradeship, secular outlook, spirit of the adventure, sportsmanship and ideals of the selfless service among the youth of the country. कहने का तात्पर्य यह है, एक कैडेट में भाईचारा, धर्मनिरपेक्ष दृष्टिकोण, साहस की भावना, खेल भावना और निस्वार्थ भावना के आदर्श होने चाहिए. A cadet and another point is a cadet should willing to serve in any situation, whether it's a disaster, earthquake, cyclone or in the condition of the war. एक कैडेट को किसी भी स्थिति में, आपदा, भूकंप, चक्रवात और युद्ध की स्थिति में सेवा के लिए तत्पर एवं तैयार होना चाहिए. Another one is a cadet have the national integration means a feeling of togetherness and the sense of unity in the thoughts. कैडेट में राष्ट्रीय एकता, इसका अर्थ है एकजुटता की भावना एवं विचारों में एकता का भाव होना चाहिए. The another one is a cadet should participate in community development and the other social program. कैडेट को सामुदायिक विकास कार्यक्रम और अन्य सामाजिक कार्यक्रम में प्रतिभागी होना चाहिए. A cadet must have the sensitivity to the needs of the poor and socially disadvantaged fellow citizens. कैडेट में गरीब, सामाजिक रूप से वंचित नागरिकों की जरूरतों के प्रति संवेदनशीलता होनी चाहिए। अ कैडेट हैव क्यूरियोसिटी, इनोवेटिव नेचर, सेल्फ सेक्रीफाइस, हार्ड वर्क, अबाइडिंग कमिटमेंट टू लर्न, वैल्यू enshrined in Indian Constitution। कैडेट में जिज्ञासा और नवीनता की प्रवृत्ति, आत्मत्याग, कड़ी मेहनत, भारतीय संविधान में निहित मूल्यों को सीखने के प्रति दृढ़ प्रतिबद्ध होना चाहिए। And at very last, a cadet is always a young person, and I would like to share a quote in the last. I listened in a speech of a youth parliament by a girl, and it was so much motivating. I would like to share with you guys too. कि उठो जवान देश के वसुंधरा पुकारती, कि उठो जवान देश के वसुंधरा पुकारती, यह देश है पुकारता, पुकारती माँ भारती, यह देश है भारती माँ भारती। जय हिंद, all of you. We will meet you soon. Thank you.